It has been long I updated you on our road projects, on these our construction projects. It's been long I updated you. So I want to show you how far we have gone. And all of these places you are seeing now, all of these places have been done. Like we have casted all of this place with the cement technology. Right from the right from that the starting point where you see the sand down to this place. This is where we are. We have been able to cast all of this place. Our work speaks for itself, and we are almost done with the project. At least to that point, we are almost done. You can see our projects. You can see how far we have come. From that point where that sand is, that is where we started. We have done the road to this point. We are doing it in layers, in batches, in stratas. So this is the project. Reach out to PFAV Network Limited. Let's help you do your projects. Everything that has to do with building, road construction, real estate. We secure your property. We also manage your portfolio. You can see how this project is, how beautiful it is. Even the quality, very massive.